What's up guys, welcome welcome back to my channel. My name is Marco Delia. Today I want to talk about how to have hair like mine, how to have this kind of wavy, beachy kind of hairstyle. So this is a question that I keep receiving every single day on this channel. I document everything that I do to improve myself and to get to the best version of myself. So if you're interested in these kinds of topic, please consider subscribing, or if you just simply want to follow me on my journey to success. So how to have hair like mine? First of all, you need to let it grow. I've been professional swimming for 15 years and I quit when I was 18. So I had this whole entire childhood where my hair was really bad, really bad. I had short hair. You can find it on my Instagram, and please don't check it out. I had short hair and I kept like taking showers and stress my hair, and it was so bad. It was kind of not even curly, it was not even straight, it was bad looking. Like the color wasn't it was like I don't know, like washed out. I just didn't like my hair. So what I did after quitting my career, I decided to get better at myself, like entirely, and also my hair. So I tried to make my research, and what I discovered is a couple of things. And the first thing, of course, I wanted to try find a style for my hair, so I just let it grow. I just prefer longer hair on men and even on girls, so I just try to let it grow. So the first thing I suggest you to do, of course, let it grow. A lot of people ask me, but Marco, I have short hair, like maybe here is a bit longer, maybe here on the sides it's a little bit shorter because I had a short hairstyle. So what should I do? My suggestion, like try to let it grow, resist for a while, and once like it's really weird looking, you can go to the barber shop and you just ask for a longer haircut. So the barber shop will cut your hair at the same length, or they're gonna just, he's gonna know what to do. Like he's gonna just know what to do for long hair styles. So I would suggest at least this length here. I've always had like this length kind of neck here, but then I tried to make it a little bit longer. Like right now, like I never had such long hair. This is really long. Never had like such long hair, but I wanted to try. So another thing, I made a video so much time ago, but it's still valuable if you want to check it out, on how to grow your hair faster. So this is the first step. I mean, it's of course a step that everybody knows, but you know, it's better to say than regret. The second tip is take cold showers. What I suggest, like taking cold showers like with the Wim Hof method, as I showed you in other videos before, it's really important. It has a lot of benefits for your skin, for your eyes, for your brain, for your body, for your muscles, and even for your hair. So just take cold showers, guys. Try to start with a normal shower, and then as soon as you're finishing the shower, slightly change and shift towards colder and colder. This will make you have so many benefits. And even your hair will kind of look reinforced, a little bit better, cleaner, and it looks like really strong and a little bit more defined. If you have wavy or curly hair, it will be looking a little bit more defined, and even the color of your hair will look a little bit like more powerful. I don't know how to say it, but I think so. So yeah, just go for cold showers. This is what I would do. Okay, now that you understand how to take showers, you need to understand when. This is one important thing, guys. Don't stress your hair, which means don't take too many showers. This is a mistake that I see like every time on Instagram. I don't know why, but I keep receiving messages about my hair and about modeling on Instagram. So maybe these are the two topics that I should focus about. But the thing is, don't take too many showers. Of course, you don't have to stink. Of course, you don't have to smell. Just wash your body, or like tie your hair, or just wash without products. So the point is, don't stress your hair. I take 2 showers per week, which one includes products, so a moisturizer and a conditioner and a shampoo, and another one without products for my hair. Of course, I wash my body all day long, every day. Don't worry about that. I don't smell. But for my hair, I just try to don't stress it too much. So I think that once per week having products is good enough. and another time washing with just running water. I think that is perfect. So learn how to not stress your hair. Another pro tip, don't comb your hair while they're dry, but you can comb with a wide tooth comb while you're into the shower, while you're taking the cold shower. You can do it for a while, but it has to be wide tooth, and it has to be just whenever you are into the shower. You should just basically let your hair be natural, even your body be natural, and get used. I know in the beginning it will be a little bit harder, but as soon as you start, after a while, your hair will get used to be clean by itself, the way it is supposed to be by nature. So the next tip is let it dry by itself. This is another tip to not stress your hair, but this is so important if you want to achieve this kind of style. Don't dry it with a hair dryer. Let it dry by itself. Even if you want to go on the sun, like under sunlight, this is perfect. This is even better. But the point is, don't use a hair dryer, which also stress your hairs a lot. Don't use a dryer. Simply go on the sun, or just leave it like that for 1 hour or so. If you need to go out, prepare your shower a little bit before, a little bit earlier, or if it's really cold. One guy once in a Instagram story asked me, yeah, but what if I have to go, like, what if it's cold outside? I say, well, take the shower at night before going to sleep. Like, and then another thing, when you take out of the shower, when you go out, you have towel. Don't rub your hair, but try to just pat gently on your hair, squeeze out the water, but don't rub it in, or just do crazy stuff with your towel. Simply pat gently and then leave it like that. It should be a little bit wet. That's all right, no problem. You have time to let it dry by itself. And the last tip is you can use some products. There are some products that I use every single time that I finish my shower. I use my wavy conditioner and my wavy shampoo into the shower once per week, and after that shower, the product shower, so the deeper shower, I use these two products. These are not sponsored, actually. I have no idea. No, I don't even know what are the brands. I just made my research, and I know that these ones are really good ones, and I've always found myself really good with this. So as soon as I go out of the shower, I have wet hair, I pat gently to get rid of some of the water. I use this thing here. It's from Revlon Professional. I don't even know what's the cost of this. I don't even know if it's on Amazon, but I'll check it out, and if it's on Amazon or something similar, I'll post it down in the description. And my English is getting better, am I? No, it isn't, right? So, by the way, thanks for sticking at this point of the video. If you stick to this point of the video, whoa, thank you. I really appreciate it. I noticed that one of the things that helps YouTubers grow is the watch time. So if you watch the entire video, by the way, use this thing. It's like a gel or something, like a jelly thing that you put on your fingers, and just do it on every all your hair. So on all your hair as soon as you get out of the shower. And then the other product, which is the one that I suggest you to use every time, this you can find it on Amazon, is a sea salt spray. So I think that you can find every kind of brands. It's a sea salt. It recreates the effect of the ocean water, but it doesn't make your hair look or smell bad, or it doesn't make your hair dry. It actually moisturizes your hair as well, so it's actually good for your hair, and it also gives that texture of wavy, beachy hair. And I spray it on all my hair after 20 minutes of dry down. So I put this as I get out of the shower, wait 15-20 minutes, and then I go for this one, spray it on my hair and give it a little bit of hair. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know your trip, your journey with your hair. If you have any any question or whatever, I'll be happy to answer. Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I've been flying from town to town.